Boom, shall have some cash, man. Devin the doctor represent for Jamaica, worst game of reacts. Jamaica, worst game of react. Devin the doctor say you're baddest thing.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's game here with another reaction? Move. Today, guys, we're Swick, yeah, man. Swick and KiingPin. With Murderah, it's an official music video. Big up the production team. KTV Records, big up yourself, big up yourself. I'm going to jump in the one and see what go on. Yo, that link to the one I got pinned in the comment section. So go over there, go tell them, say, yo, if you don't like it, don't like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. Tell them the truth. Alright? So far this start off good. 4K. Yes, this is what we're talking about. 4K, man. 4K. Comment section on too. Alright, let's go, man. Let's go. I'm gonna drop a like before me, because I know it's talk bad. So I'm gonna drop a like before. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do the thing. Let's go. Disclaimer. Any props using this video?
I hold it. I walk over the shop there. Buy a KTV here. See them ask about the fair light. See them take out the light.
Light him up.
29 bomb buckleted.
We know about murder and that. Send my killer fi go circle your yard. You can't jump out in the traffic with a matic and a clappy shot. Take a nick in a family.
Hold on, this is a movie. Hold on, this is a movie. This have storyline right there, so now. So from its start, he might give you the storyline, you know. Go over there, so. Add that craving here. Get the craving here. Ask about the fear light. When him give you the light, me J. Just dash one in my head. Dash one in my head, man. Yeah.
Oh, you see that, man?
Make you see what one.
I hold it.
So right now we have to concentrate on the video.
Go over the shop.
We have to concentrate on what I must say.
See them ask about the fair light. See them take out the light. I put 29 bomb buckleted.
Yeah, man. Dash one in my forehead, man. Yeah. Oh, buckler. Lyrics. Hold on. I wouldn't mess with a while ago.
I hold it. I walk over the shop.
Alright.
there.
So you not pull over. Okay. So him at the target. Alright. So him at the target. So I'm fall back out of the shop. Okay. Get it. What you know about Murderah, dog? The man say, yo, do you am confident? Me send all that girl come dashing on in the boy. Circle here, yeah. Okay, dump him. Oh, buckler. Lock it up. I saw the man make it see a while ago. Yo, a 9x19 me busted in the dog. I'm 14 now. Got a 9x19, that's it. Stubborn. Dragon.
How for pull that, my dog?
Hold on, no man, wait now. Man said the Glock 19 lock the road like cupboard. Just picture your kitchen cupboard when it lock. I saw the Glock 19 lock blood clear road. I saw over pulley. No boy no so over pulley. Dragon. Like the road like cupboard.
How for pull that, my dog?
No boy no so bad.
No boy no so bad. We da cast govern. The T that govern. The Brampton govern. The Western govern. We no fear no man. Look a rookie thing.
The whole of Canada govern. The whole of G place them govern. The whole of Badman place them govern. No pussy. Jane and Finch, big up on yourself.
No boy no so bad. No boy no so bad. We da cast govern. The T that govern. The Brampton govern. The Western govern. We no fear no man. Look a rookie thing. We no see how for test damn charging. Shut a boy no I left that retarded. Chop him up for.
Yeah, man. Shut up, boy. No one left that retarded, man. Retarded. One of the two things I got him to him, brother. 6'6" are retarded. Cabbage can't help himself. He If you want shit, as somebody have to help him. Hey!
Oh! Shut up, boy, no, I left that
Retarded.
Chop him up fine, you know me dance heartless. If them want war, you know we gon' start.
Who ya?
Yo, a 30 had shot in the cartridge. The key boss left the place in the darkness.
Yo, the man say a 30 had shot in the cartridge. What you know? It's an extension clip the G have about so. It's an extension clip the G have about so, me G. You know? Yeah, I thought, yo!
Started. Yo, a 30 had shot in the cartridge. The key boss left the place in the darkness. If it boy make a D on the target, scope on the rifle, a company.
Circle your yard. Yo, this a tough. Yo, this bad. Hold on, bias. This blood clot bad. If you don't rate that one, it's a dog in the comment section. Just click the link in the comment section and go over there, go tell them, say, yo, I'm missing it. Bad. You're not traffic. Circle your yard. Yo, that party is bad. Boom, buckler. You know the party remind me of? Cartel and Bling Dog have a song. Cartel, me have a problem. I want to help me solve the case. I want me to find some boy ransack the place. The neighbors see them place. Them go be on the base. Me don't want to take it and but on the father got curious. So I'm for no say nothing. Me I go link you know my case. Me have bullet by the back, his guns by the. At that part, yo, that listen to the part again. Conversation.
Them a baby to the badness and I see a Google them. Abraham pull up on a scooter and bust me and look like dog. So you deal with it, my friend.
Yeah, man. Brawling, man. Pull up on a scooter, man. Zip, zip, zap, zip, zip, through traffic. Zip, zap, zap, zap. Knock it, bop, bop, bop. And cut left him. Traffic. What traffic I go? Eh? Let's see a poodle them. Baby, them man weak, man. Them weak.
Abraham pull up on a scooter and bust me and look like dog. So you deal with it, my friend. Them man a summer portal and go for them and bust me.
Yeah, the whole 14 max feet and I go say.
Them on novice to the badness, never make a dope yet.
Never chip up a matic at on it time.
Them a 666, brother. Them a bumbuckler 666. Them a pose, brother. Them a pose with matic and never make a dope yet, bro. Eh? From Maxfield to Nagazette, big up on the wall on a bumbuckler self. Yeah! Yeah!
Them on novice to the badness, never make a dope yet.
Never chip up a matic at on it time.
Murderer dog. Circle your yard. What you know about? Bumbuckler, big up on yourself, Jace. Big up yourself. Go to production team, big up on yourself. KTV Records, your production, my G. It's bad.
Fully crooks.
Fully crooks, the man say, you hear that? Alright, so from here the G say fully crooks, you know what time it is. Bro, bad you bad. Bag na grab. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. KiingPin, big up yourself. Yes, man. Big up your blood clad self, KiingPin. Yes. Swick, Dan, big up yourself, my G. Yo, the thing bad. What a Canada, big up on yourself. You know, artists a step out. I want to say, it's bad. Yo, it's bad. It's bad for true. But go over there, go tell them, say it bad. Don't just tell me alone. Just go over there, go tell them, say it bad. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up the G, them, man. I'm out.
Yeah, first game of the review, ya feisty dog, feisty you fall.